Hello and welcome back to another video. I am Becca Conte from the BC Tech TV YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, this is the channel where you educate and find solution to your ICT problem. Welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell to get updated of any of my new videos. In today's video I will be showing you to install a net framework into your Windows 7 PC. If your Windows 7 PC is having problem of not installing some software that's required Microsoft Net framework to be installed before installing that particular software, this video is your solution. Now let's head over and see how to install a Net framework and how to get that installed into your PC. Welcome back. If you are new, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and continue watching my video. Thank you. Yeah guys, this is the PC that it is. This PC is running Windows 7 here. As you can see, this PC is running Windows 7 and I need to install a net. I try to install a software to activate. As you can see up here, this is Microsoft Office 2010 toolkit, and I want to install this software to activate my office here. Let me just open one of my office. Let me open publisher here. I'm opening my publisher, and yes, as you can see, Microsoft Office Professional Toolkit. This is a trial version. It is asking me to activate this. Then I can just say cancel here. Then this is it. As you can see, I want to open a new. As you can see, everywhere is blank. Everywhere is blank. You cannot work any of this application. Everywhere is blank. Everywhere is blank. See, as you can see, everywhere is blank here. So I need to install the operating. Need to install the Microsoft Net framework to let it allow you to install your software to activate this office. So now I need to close this office. Let me see something here. Yeah, I need to install. I have closed my office here. Now this is my toolkit. This is the software I wanted to install, but it required me to install my Microsoft. As you can see here, this is the information that I got when I tried to install the Microsoft toolkit here. When I tried to install the software here, as you can see, Microsoft Office 2010 toolkit. I want to install. I should be install this net framework installation error. You see, to run your application, when I try to install the activation software for the office, this is the information I got. To run this application, you first must install one of the following version of the net framework. This is the version. Contact your application publisher for instruction about obtaining the. Now I have this software in my drive here. This is the software here. This is it. It is for 32 bits. This 86 is for 32-bit operating system and also 64-bit operating system. So now I need to click this one. Now I'm installing it. Yes, I need to go to yes. Yes, allow you to say yes. Then it is extracting now the application. I'm installing now the Microsoft Net framework. it is extracting all the necessary files that should be installed. As you can see, Microsoft Net Framework. Yeah, and mind you, this is the offline installation. I am having no internet connection here. Some PC is will ask you to connect to the internet and install this particular software online, but I am installing it offline because I have it installed in my PC. You need to click here, just say I have read and accept to your license, then you go install. It is installing now the necessary file. This will take a little bit time. As you can see, installation is in progress. As you can see up, the information up says all files were verified successfully. Yeah. It is done installing. As you can see, installation is complete. This is the version Net Framework 4. Let me just say Net Framework 4 has been installed. Yeah, so now all you need to do, you need to click here and say finished. Yeah, now the PC is asking you to restart for it to be in the system, for all the netframe files, extracted file to be in the system. You need to restart it immediately, or you can say restart later. This, if you are not doing work with your PC, if you are not presently doing any work, you are just trying to install this net framework, you need to restart it immediately after installation is complete. But if you are busy doing some other work, then you can restart it later. You can say restart later, then you continue your work. And for today's video, I will just say restart now. In the end of this video, you can see you can see another video showing you how to activate your Microsoft Office 2010, how to go about activating it after installing the Microsoft Net framework. You can now go ahead and activate your Office. I will show you in another video how to activate a Microsoft Office 2010. In the end of the video, you can see a video there. Click that video and see and watch how to activate Microsoft Office 2010. Thank you very much and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get updated of any of my video. Thank you.